Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make candy with gelatin. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need unflavored gelatin, sugar, water, and your favorite flavorings and colors. The process involves careful heating and mixing to ensure a smooth, consistent texture. Once combined, the mixture is poured into molds and allowed to set. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a delicious and satisfying homemade candy experience. To begin, you'll need a few key items. Start with 4 packets of unflavored gelatin, which is about 1 ounce, and 2 cups of granulated sugar. You'll also need 1 cup of cold water and 1 cup of hot water. Don't forget your chosen flavor extracts, like cherry or lemon, and a few drops of food coloring. A saucepan, whisk, and silicone molds, or a 9 by 13-inch baking dish are also essential for success. Now, let's get cooking. First, sprinkle the 4 packets of gelatin over 1 cup of cold water in a bowl and let it sit for 5 minutes to bloom. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of sugar with 1 cup of hot water, heating gently until the sugar fully dissolves. Next, add the bloomed gelatin to the hot sugar mixture, stirring continuously until it is completely clear. Finally, stir in your chosen flavorings and food coloring. Once your mixture is ready, it's time for the setting process. Carefully pour the warm liquid into your silicone molds or the parchment-lined baking dish. Ensure the molds are on a flat surface to prevent spills. Transfer the molds to the refrigerator and chill for a minimum of 2 to 4 hours, or until the candy is completely firm. Once set, gently remove the candies from their molds and enjoy your delicious homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.